Hello, I'm Simon and welcome to our Flight Simulator Laboratory. Here we have 10 flight simulators that are used by students who are learning about flight procedure and operation of aircraft. They're often used by our private pilot instruction students. We also have 5 flight simulators that are based around aircraft design, and these are frequently used by our third-year students who are studying the performance of aircraft. Let's now go through to our propulsion laboratory. Here in our propulsion laboratory, we teach students about the performance and operation of jet engines. We have a small-scale jet engine in a test cell, which Richard is currently servicing to ensure that it runs. We also have a full-scale Rolls-Royce Gnome engine on loan from Rolls-Royce Heritage, which allows students to study the manufacture and operation of a full-scale engine. And we have a simulator bench, which uses the flight electronics of a real engine to model the performance of that engine in different conditions. And finally, we have a number of these small-scale jet engines which students can take apart to study manufacture and operation. And I think Young is about to test his now.